it's Marielle, Momandagirlwithplans, and I am planning for the week of August 23rd through the 29th in my classic vertical planner, and it is back to school for me. I assistant teach pre-K, and on Wednesday, kids start. We started our training last week, but this is our official first day of school, so I'm going to go with a whole back to school theme in my planner. I don't even know if I'm going to use this, but I grabbed some washi that I've had forever. I think this was from the Target dollar spot, so just in case, I don't know. But there's also washi in a lot of these books, so I'm going to use Playful icons, Rad Teacher, this really old student one, and this student box, and I'll kind of show you what I've come up with so far. So this is what I've pulled. And you know me, I've got to keep the stickers nearby in case I need some more. So all of these icons came from, I'd say all of these right here, and these note papers, and this one came from Playful Icons. And then Rad Teacher are the books and crayons, and this one. Student, I use this first day of school in the open house. And then this student box one, I used these. I also found a bunch of stickers in here that I want to use, so you'll probably see this coming up in a future video. So that is what I'm kind of starting with, and I know I'm gonna leave these handy because there's so many stickers in this Playful Icon one, and even these washi strips right here. So I don't know which washi I'm going to use, but just wanted to have everything ready. All right, so I know I want to use this lesson plan and this wake up, teach kids, be awesome on actual Wednesday. So I've got to figure out how to make sure I've got that. I wish it's one of those things where I wish it was Tuesday so that I had room when it's butted up against, the edge there. I don't know. But I'm going to make it work because, we're going to make it work. There's a ton of really good colorful boxes in here too. Let me find those with little icons. So I know I'll be using these too. So, and cute rulers. There's just a ton. So I'm going to go for it. I think I want to use this one on the first day. So I'm going to kind of put it right here, I think. Now these are designed, I think, more for the teacher planner, so they're square, but I think they're really fun. They're fun to use no matter what, right? So I'm going to put that there along with, let's see, maybe I'll use this little binder clip guy for the first day. Yeah. And maybe some of this fun washi. I'm going for it, you guys. I'm just doing all the things. All the things. I got to dress it up. I've got to make it fun. No, I mean, I do. I love it. And the kids are fantastic. It's not that. I think it's when you've had a summer break and you're used to lazy, relaxing, no rules kind of days, it's hard to get back into the whole swing of things. So that's what I'm struggling with, actually getting back on a plan, which I know once it gets going, it's going to be great, but I'm I don't want to have a plan. I love scallops. I always have, so I thought this would be really fun to use. So I'm kind of starting at the day of what I've got going on, and then I'm going to build out, I guess. That's just how it's going. So I've got that. And maybe I can use this one. And I'm not a fan of having what do you call it? Lines go through words. So I'm going to grab out got my handy pen case here. This is what I took to training. Everybody's like, do you have enough highlighters? Yes. Yes, I do. And a yes, you can borrow some because I know you want to. And sure enough, they did. Okay. So now I'm going to kind of white this out a little bit. I've been liking this. I know it doesn't white it out, 100%, but this is enough for me. I just need it to be softened so that the line doesn't go through the words. Again, it's not that big of a deal, but it's just something I like to do. Okay. So I'm gonna put this here, right there. Boop. Okay, so I've got that now. And let me think. We have our open house on Monday. So let me see, which sticker do I want to use for that? Maybe I'll use this apple. It's kind of like a meet the teacher thing. So maybe I'll use this little fun one over here. I can't decide if I want to use, do I want to do this or this? I think this, because this is an actual school activity. So I'm gonna put that there and this here. And then I'll put the open house. I'm sure, I mean, there probably is a meet this teacher sticker, but I don't know. Okay, so I've got those two things down. Let me think what else we have going on. Oh, 24th is also a big day because it's my dad's birthday. So I've got to put something for that. All right. I bet there's a bunch of fun birthday stickers in one of these teacher sticker books. I know they exist. So maybe I'll grab one out of here instead of going back to my regular. Let's see what we've got. That might work. I might see if I have a different font. I pull all of my birthday stickers and my holiday stickers and put them all in a binder together. It just makes it easier for me. I'm trying to decide if I want it up there. I kind of like it here. But then it goes over to the other day. Let's see. No, because then it's stair steps. All right, it's going here. And then I will figure, I could overlap it. This is where I need my little tool so I can see it without my fingers in the way. So I'm gonna look at it here versus up here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try it here. Let's see if that's straight. Straight enough for me. That works. Okay, so let me check on my birthday stickers and then what else do I have going on for the week? I've got our first day. Ooh, I do have something else big this day for work that I need to do. So I'm going to use, let's see, use a plain pink sticker so that I don't forget about this. There's just a lot going on. This is a really busy week. Okay, so I've got that. And then I've got another meeting on Friday, but I'm gonna wait and let's put some more stickers down. I normally have my big list usually somewhere at the beginning of the week, but we're gonna change it up and it's going to live on Thursday. Alrighty. I just love how it looks like notebook paper. I think that's so fun. Okay, so I've got that. And maybe I want to do, let's put this one here. on Sunday. I'm just trying to put, I like to add things in threes. So I've got my 3 boxes right there. And then, oh, I forgot it. And then I've got all these little icons I want to try to use, but I'm first trying to get down the important things that I definitely need to have like a box for or something. So let's put the meeting on Friday. I'll put that right here. Okay. And I think that's good. Okay, so I've got all my, I'm trying to remember if there's anything over the weekend. I think we're good. So I've got all the important boxes in, and now I can do a little more decorating. I do want to use this, so I might put it here. And let's add a fun box. I'm gonna add this yellow one. Was it too yellow with yellow? Let's see, which colors am I missing? Maybe an orange with this pen. That would be good. All right, so I'm gonna move this up. I'm gonna put the pen this direction. That way it, let's see, I'm gonna be going off the spread, but you know what? Whoa, too much, too far off. Gotta move that over just a bit. And of course I did not, sometimes if I like stick it or touch it on that sticker paper, it takes some of the sticky off and makes them a lot easier to remove. I forgot I went straight from the book on this one, so oops. All right, let's see. That fits now. Can I write in the box? I might need to move either. Hold on, I might need to move it up. I just feel like it's covering too much of the box. I don't know if you can see that. All right, let's move it. Maybe this box is gonna be like, I am not going anywhere. Maybe this will be easier to move. Oh. Can I do it with that? Oh yeah. Well, that was good. Okay, so let's try moving it up and over. It's a little crooked. Let's fix it. These long strip stickers, come on, work with me here. It's like, no, you work with me. You're the one putting it on crooked. Ah! Okay. You know, that's as close as it's getting, and we're gonna be okay with it. All right, so I've got that down over there to kind of balance that. And now I'm gonna put some stickers. Okay, so let's see. What if, I kind of dig this. I'm wondering if I can put it, let me see. I don't want it to be exactly level with that though. Maybe it'll go here. I wanted to have a little box over here. I just felt like that was too close together, but you know what? I think it's gonna be okay. We are going for it. Ta-da. There. So I've got 2 little note papers, and then I want to use my lesson plan over here by the first day of school. And now I'm just having fun adding stickers everywhere. I love back to school supplies. I love back to school stickers. The back to school release is always one of my favorites just because I like all of the little things and all the accessories, and I don't know. It's just one of my faves always. Oh, that's gonna cover Friday, but I really liked it there. Dang it. Okay, it's gonna go here then. There. But yeah, I'm a sucker for school supplies. I love seeing all the new pens and pencils, and everything. So it's always one of my favorites. And I used to buy the kids' school supplies way before it was time, back in the day. And people were always like, what are you doing? I was like, they're like, I am not ready for all that. But I'm like, I'm not ready either. I just want the stuff. I just want the school supplies. And I teach pre-K, so I thought those crayons were perfect. All right, I love this giant pencil. Hold on, I'm wondering if I should have, I've got a quote there, maybe something over here. And so let's see if there's anything good in this sticker book. Because I really like the simple, maybe keep it together. That looks like it goes with that, and it's fun. Let's figure out where it can go. Let's see. I feel like if I put it there, it's exactly level. Well, as you can see, the spread is done, and I have been having the worst luck filming lately. I'm like, is this a sign that I need to stop? Oh, so my phone stopped. I was finished with the video. I was excited to show you guys, and then I looked up and yeah, wasn't recording. So we left off at the keep it together. And so I added 3 more boxes. I tried this washi tape, but the letters, it just was too much going on. So I went with this kind of graph grid washi tape. I've been trying to add more washi in because I have so much, and I used to love using it, and then I kind of just stopped. And so I've trying to embrace it again, and I do love adding little touches to the spread. So I added the grid washi, this long pencil, and I always have to have like kind of like a master task list that I just kind of write everything down for the week and then prioritize as we go through. So I did want to put a list over here that I can have. I might also do some listing here, which is why I put this here. But I just kind of wanted to have the master tasks over on this side. And I just kind of went crazy with the stickers. I used a bunch of different ones from those books, and I went ahead back into the Playful icons and grabbed a couple more of these smaller ones. And yes, it's a fun, crazy kind of back to school hot mess, but I think it's also going to be really functional with the boxes, and there's so many more boxes if I need to add. I've got those ready. So I do love the way it turned out, and I hate that you guys, well, couldn't hear my washi struggles, but I didn't want to, not share this at all. So I went ahead and figured I would just let you guys know what I did, and hopefully going forward, this is going to be the last time I have these crazy problems. So thanks so much if you stuck it out, and I would love it if you would leave a comment if you have any questions or just want to add some tips. Anything in there, I'd love to hear from you. And I would also love it if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so that you can get notifications on future videos from me. Thanks so much, and I hope you guys have an amazing week ahead.